Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Udan. Asian markets are turning in a mixed performance on Thursday, with investors looking for fresh triggers. The overnight week close on Wall Street was slightly negative reaction to the minutes of the Federal Reserve's later policy meeting is also contributing to some lackluster moves in most of the markets in the Asian region. The Australian stock market is trading lower, dragged down by miners following iron ore prices dropping to 5-year lows. The benchmark ASX 200 index is currently down 0.98%. The HSBC China November flash manufacturing PMI fell to 50, a drop from October's final 3-month high of 50.4 and a 6-month low. The Nikkei 225 traded 0.3% higher this morning. Overnight, the dollar traded mixed to higher against most major currencies on Wednesday, despite dovish Fed meeting minutes, as markets bet the interest rates are set to rise next year, with only the timing remaining up in the air. Monetary authorities largely agree that the economy was improving and no longer needed stimulus tools such as asset purchases, though concerns persisted that inflation expectations may be dipping. The minutes of the Federal Reserve's October policy meeting released Wednesday revealed. Australian dollar-US dollar fell to 0.8590, down 0.31% on the reading as the country is heavily reliant on the resource exports to fuel China's manufacturing sector. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 118.21, up 0.22% after the data, after timing closes earlier on the narrower than expected trade deficit. Thursday is a busy day for economic news, including a variety of initial November estimates PMIs throughout Europe. Later, a pair of updates will focus attention on the US economy. US Consumer Price Index 1330 GMT. The Treasury market's implied inflation forecast has been slightly lately, falling to 1.84% on Tuesday, a 3-year low. Economists see consumer inflation falling 0.1% last month compared with September, according to the Econoday.com's survey data. That translates into a lower annual rate of inflation, just 1.5% for October, down from 1.7% in the previous release. US growth still looks resilient by comparison, but a stronger run of disinflation will raise new questions about the persistence of America's expansion. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.